Hi guys! Today we're going in depth on our recently launched express printing service called InIt Express. So without wasting any time, let's get in it. So this new service is something we've been so excited to do, and we finally got to actually launch it in 2020. So what exactly is it? InIt Express is our retail printing service that enables you to print your own custom design or photo onto one of our high quality locally made garments, or even onto your supplied shirt. And if that doesn't sound good enough to you, here's the kicker. It's super quick and easy. If you simply come into our store at 44 Stanley, with your design ready, you can have your brand new shirt done in about 15 minutes. Now, at this point, you might be thinking a couple of things, like, oh, it's probably gonna be super expensive, or it's one of those prints that feels like a sticker that you can just pull off. But no, our pricing is super competitive, and it's practically the same as going out to any retail store and buying a brand new printed shirt where you have no choice of what's on the actual shirt. And so is the quality of the print. We do this by making use of a relatively new technology in printing, which is called DTG, or direct to garment printing. We'll go over DTG in full detail in a future video, but for now all you need to know is that it provides a high quality, great feeling, high resolution and full color print. Now, the next thing is, you might be asking yourself, is who is this service actually for? Well, the answer to that is it's basically for anyone, literally anyone. We've made it so easy that anyone, even a 6-year-old child, could do this. Whether you just want to make a gift for your girlfriend, make a funny shirt that'll make your friends laugh. If you're a designer or an artist and you've made something that you thought, wow, that would look awesome on a t-shirt, you can do it so easily. Even if you're a clothing company and you want to get some samples to see what DTG printing looks like, or what your final designs would look like printed, this is the service for you, because you can do it so quickly. How do you actually use InIt Express? That's the simple and easy part. So if you're in Johannesburg, you can simply come into our store with your design or your photo on your phone or on a memory stick. It really doesn't matter. And our storefront assistants will help you. But basically, you'll just choose your garment from our retail storefront, go to the counter, give us your design, and then you can watch your shirt being printed. It's easy as that. We can print nearly any file format. The only requirement is that it's at least 300 dpi, or dots per inch resolution. And this ensures a nice, clean, crispy print, because no one wants a pixelated print on their shirt. And if you're bringing your own garment through, just make sure that it's at least 50% cotton, although 100% cotton prints by far the best. If you aren't in Johannesburg, or you don't have the means to get to the store, you can also order online. So you simply go to the website www.initexpress.com. Then you can either log in or register a new account if you haven't joined us before. I'm just going to log in since I've already done this. Now, all you have to do is go down to the products and select which garment you'd like for your design. So I'm gonna go with the men's classic premium t-shirt. It's actually the one I'm wearing right now as well. It's a very comfy fit. I highly recommend it. So here you can see you can select your colors and your size. I'm gonna go with a black and a large. And then you can add this to cart if you just want the plain blank shirt, but we don't want just a plain boring black shirt. We're gonna start designing. Now, you can either add a design, you can add text, or you can add a sports team name with your number. So I'm gonna go with add design, and we have a bunch of stock designs that you can choose from already uploaded on the website. But if you want to upload your own image, you can do that as well. So I've uploaded this little cute robot guy, and I'm gonna use him. So then, all you need to do is place exactly where you want him to be on your shirt. You'll see here, it'll show you the measurement in centimeters as well, so you can actually go to your garment and measure it out with a ruler if you want to see exactly how big it will be by the time you get it. So here you have a bunch of controls. You can rotate, you can do whatever you need to get your design to the perfect space. We even have the remove background. If it just has a plain white background that you don't want to be there, you can use this feature. So next up, you simply click buy, and your item will be saved to your cart. Now we can simply go through to checkout. You simply add all your details. If you've ever done online shopping, it's exactly the same, and you go through the checkout process, and your shirt will be shipped to you within about 48 hours. You'll notice there's no option when you order online to pick up in store. The reason for this is because it's so quick to come in store and do the entire process here, and it makes it a little bit easier. So if you want to pick up your shirt in store, just come through and do the entire process here. You'll be able to feel the shirts, see the colors firsthand, and get the awesome experience of seeing your shirt being printed right in front of you. It's a really quick, really simple process, and we highly encourage you to do it. Similarly, if you want to print on your own supplied garments, you'll have to come in store to do that. So there you have it, everything you might need to know to take full advantage of this awesome new service. We are so excited about this, and we really hope that you are too. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed. We've got so much more coming your way, so stay tuned for that. Cheers.